Hi! In front of me is Poco F4 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness on this Poco device. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Display over here. Now click on Brightness Level section and click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness. As you can see, the switcher is blue. That means that auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same one. If you want to, you can go into Tab menu as well and tap on this auto brightness shortcut. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is enabled. If you want to disable it, tap on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!